Welcome to this episode of Street Sense with me, Maxwell Mensah. You can call me Talent Man. On this episode, I'm going to share with you 7 ways to build a business around your talent. 7 ways to build a business around your talent. But before I get into it, I want to urge you to kindly subscribe to my channel now. I know you've been watching my videos, so kindly subscribe now, like this video, leave a comment for me, and share this video so others can get to learn what you've been learning from my channel all this while. So let's get into it. 7 ways to build a business around your talent. This one is purposely for those who would want to build business or start their own side business, either on the side or as full-time business. Whatever it is best. Normally it is best if you build a business around your talent. I mean, there must be a passion for something. There must be an interest in something. There must be a desire for something around which you build your talent. And so if you want to build a business around your talent, this episode is for you. So let's get into it. 7 ways to build a business around your talent. The first way is, first of all, to develop that talent. Develop your talent. You can't plan a business around the talent you haven't developed. Something you're not good at, you can't build a business around it, because when you do, you definitely end up failing because you don't really know the ins and outs of whatever it is. Let's imagine Lionel Messi. If he hadn't developed himself, his craft when it comes to football, he wouldn't have done well with football. Let's take someone like Joe Mettle. He wouldn't have been a successful musician if he hadn't developed his craft, if he hadn't developed his talent for singing. So first of all, before you think about the money, before you think about whatever you have to do, develop that talent. Develop it to the point where you know, okay, I am good enough. I think I can start selling my talent. I think I can start making money from it. Because if you're not good enough with what you're doing, you want to sell that particular service or product, nobody will buy from you, and you're going to be frustrated. So definitely start by developing your talent. All right. The next thing is to research on related business and career opportunities. Research on related business and career opportunities, because look, whatever talent you have, there are several careers around it. There are several businesses you can build around it. So first of all, after developing, research around it. So go online. I mean, come to YouTube, wherever you want. Go to Google, wherever you can go to, and research. So I am someone who likes talking. What kind of careers exist around around talking talent? I'm someone who loves writing. What kind of business can I build around my love for writing or my passion for writing? Go online and research. Make sure you do extensive research before you start, else you just start because, oh, my friend is doing this kind of business because he has this talent, so I also want to do. You will be shocked. You may have the same talent, but the kind of business you can do may vary. So don't just chase the crowd because everyone is doing it, I also want to do. Well, some people are able to do that and it goes well for them. But even if everyone is doing it, it must be something that you have an interest in, else don't go into it. So definitely research around the field you want to go into, around the talents you have, the business that are available, the career opportunities, so that you can know what options you can pick from. The next thing is to get a job related to your talent so you can gain the experience. Get a job related to your talent so you can get the experience. So like I said early on in one of the episodes, or the previous episode, I was like, before you build a career, know your talent. Before you build a career, know your talent. So once you know your talent and you're building a career around it, even if you find yourself in a workplace or at a job place, you know, okay, I'm just here for a period of time because I am learning, I'm developing my talent, I'm developing my skills so I can become a better person, so that one day when I end up starting my own business, I'll be better equipped with better experience and better knowledge to excel. So definitely, if you are someone who can start your business straight away, definitely get a job that is related to your talents so you can build yourself more. For example, you want to start a publishing business and you don't know how to go about it. Look for a job in a publishing company so that you can get to learn the ins and outs of running a publishing business, so that when you start yours, you know better what to do. You want to go into media business, work at a place where in a media company, so you can get the experience, you can get to flow around, you can get to see, okay, so these are the systems, these are the processes, this is what it takes to run a media company, so they can get the experience and the knowledge you need to run your own business. You get it? So, I mean, that is why, like I said earlier on, if you don't know your talents and you're building a career, you will go around only to realize that, oh, you have been doing the wrong things all this while, and stress and frustration will kill you. So definitely, before you start your own business, if you are someone who can start right out of the door, just get a job that is related to your talent so you can gain the experience and the knowledge. The next thing is to start a small business to experiment. Start a small business to experiment. So for example, you want to go into business, you haven't done it before, you don't know, the ins and outs, you don't know the processes, the systems, the laws that govern a particular system. And then you go and take a loan of say 10,000 cedis and you just pump the money, boom, into the business. When it fails, you're going to be in huge trouble. So first of all, start small. Have a big plan, have a big dream, but start small. Start a small business. Learn the ins and outs, learn what it takes to deal with creditors, with suppliers, with employees, with whoever it is. Start a small business, learn gradually. Then once you've gained a bit more experience, you can start expanding gradually. So you start small, learn, gain the experience, start building upon your experience, start building, so that when you get to a level, you know the ins and outs of running the whole business. So that even when you bring people in to work for you, you still know how each part of the business moves. So it's not like you are running the business, but then you are illiterate, you are uninformed or unknowledgeable about so many things that have been done in the company. So definitely start a small business so you can get to learn and get the experience firsthand. The next thing is to consult coaches or people in the field. Consult coaches or people in the field. So look, the field you want to go into, the business you want to start around your talent. People have been doing it before now. People are currently in it. Some have been into it and they've died. Some are currently in it and they are excelling. Speak to these people, engage with them, pick their thoughts on what they did to get to the point they are now. Learn from them. Learn from people in the field you want to go into. It doesn't mean go and talk to 20 of them or 100 of them. No. Even if it's just one person, get someone who is in the field you want to go into. Ask them questions, learn from them, pick their thoughts, what it takes, the ins and outs, the rules and regulations, the system, the processes, whatever it takes to go into that business. Find out so you can have the better skills or the better knowledge to excel in what you're about to do. Don't just jump into it. I want to do it. I just jump. Oh, my friends are doing it. I also want to go into it. You just jump. You will drown in the ocean. The next thing, which is very important, is to believe in yourself and don't doubt yourself. Believe in yourself and don't doubt yourself. Look, doubting yourself it kills more dreams than failure. Doubting yourself. It kills more dreams than lack of money. It kills a lot of dreams. Because look, until you first of all have belief in yourself that indeed I can do this, indeed this thing I want to do, I believe I'm well suited for it, I believe that I have the talent for it, I have the knowledge in it, I have the experience in it, I have what it takes to do it, you can't. So first of all, believe in yourself. Believe that me too, I can do it. Others are doing it, others have done it. What makes them special and what makes me less special? I'm also special. I also have the ideas, I have the talent, I have the skills, I have the expertise, the knowledge. So believe in yourself first and don't doubt yourself. Don't doubt yourself. So believe in yourself and go out and run that or start that small business you want to go into. The last thing is to brand yourself. Brand yourself so you can be known for something. Brand yourself so you can be known for something. So you want to go into business. Come up with a brand for yourself. Let people know you for something. When people mention your name, something should come to mind. Something should come to mind. Either a product or a service, something you do, something you want to do, the business you want to go into. Let it be associated with you. Let there be some association. Let people know, okay, when you mention football, okay, Daniel comes to mind. When you mention basketball, oh, Didi comes to mind. When you mention book writing, Maxwell comes to mind. When you mention movies, Bernard comes to mind. There should be something connected to you. So build a brand for yourself. Deliberately build a brand. Start gradually. Look, building a brand is a very difficult thing. It takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of money. So be intentional from day one. This is what I want to do. This is what I want to be known for. So start branding yourself in that regard. Gradually. You want to be a comedian. Brand yourself. Do it such that when people see you or hear your name or read about you or see your picture, something should come to mind. They should know you for something. For example, anyone who knows me, right? If you mention my name, Maxwell, the next thing that comes is talent man or talent. Something about talent should come to mind. That is what I'm known for. So I have built a brand for myself around talent. So gradually, I'm not known nationwide, I'm not known worldwide, but there will come a time when you mention the name Maxwell Mensah, people should know, okay, that's a talent man. Just like that. That's the guy who talks about talent. That's the guy who's a talent coach. That's the guy who helps you about talent. So build a brand for yourself, be deliberate about doing it, and make sure that after probably some months or some years, people should know you for something else. You just be in there doing just anything. You do this, you jump from here, you go here, and people really know you for anything. So when they need someone in a particular field, they wouldn't know you're in that field and they wouldn't come to you. So build a brand so you can be known for something, so that anytime you need someone in that particular space, they will come for you. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Street Sense with me, Maxwell Mensah. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe now so you can get all the updates anytime I upload new content. Thank you, and I will see you on the next episode.